Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am unboxing some PR stuff. First I have this item from Viter Mints, who is my favorite caffeinated mints ever. They sent over some caffeinated mints. These are the wintergreen flavor, which is spearmint is my favorite, but these are pretty good too. These are sugar-free. I have tried these before, you guys know that. So I love the little blue tin. I've never gotten a blue tin. I like to keep these in my car. The next item is from Thin Tea, who helped me doing a full review for this on my blog. This is not, I've seen all those other Thin Tea. This is not like that. Their tea thing is not the same. It's not like going to make, you know what they are. They're like diuretics. This is not like that. It's not going to do that. So the detox has organic fennel, nettle, marshmallow leaf, organic juniper berry, dandelion root, organic rose petal, peppermint, olive leaf, dandelion leaf, hawthorn leaf, flower, coleus root, cinnamon chips, and ginger root. This is not one of those. It's just going to naturally help you lose weight. I'm actually interested because I need to lose weight. It's a thing. I keep looking at old pictures of myself and feeling sad. Comes with an infuser. So there's a 14-day fat burn blend, and there's a 14-day detox. 6 active ingredients in this one, 7 active ingredients. I read them all out to you guys in this one. This alkalizes, cleanses, detoxifies, and reduces bloating. And then this one speeds up your metabolism, which I think is interesting. Suppresses your appetite and burns fat. So I'm going to try these, and then I'm going to do a full review. So it says drink this tea first and then drink this tea second. So I don't know if you do that in a day or you do it in I'll have to look into all that. All right, so there's that. And then finally is my monthly package from Derma E. If you're not familiar with Derma E, they make organic, cruelty-free, vegan, fair trade skincare products. I'm a skincare junkie, so I love this. Put a spring in your step. I'll be doing full reviews for these. I'll also be posting on my Instagram. The first item is this Nourishing Rose Cleansing Oil. I've been wanting this forever. I keep seeing it. I'm like, ooh, but I can't buy. Look, I can't justify buying any more stuff right now because I can't. I just can't, you know? So it comes in this. If you've never used a cleansing oil, these are incredible. Does it smell like rose? That's what I love rose. Oh, it does. It has a really mild rose scent. You can use these to take off all your makeup. It's going to grab all that mascara, anything stuck inside your eyes. It's perfect for that. But it's also a great, if you have dry skin, sensitive skin, rose is a calming, but it's also, it's going to moisturize afterwards. So while it's not going to irritate, like maybe you use something with alcohol or micellar water and maybe that irritates you, this will not. That's what I love about it. All right, then we've got their microdermabrasion scrub. This is a citrus oil blend and dead sea salt. I've never heard of this, but I love these two because they exfoliate. Because on top of having dry skin, I have like rosacea, and it my skin will get really, I don't know, it gets so angry. I have to exfoliate all the time. So this, ooh, it does smell like citrus. Oh, I love that. Is it really gritty? Not really. It's really, really fine, which is nice. It's what I want in a facial scrub. I'm excited to try these out. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Derma E, so you can check them out with my affiliate links. As always, thank you guys for watching this little, I know it's mini, it's only 3 items. If you don't like these videos, don't watch them. If you do, thumbs up this video. I'd like to see how many of you out there like these. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.